This is an Asus A455L laptop. To find out the voltage value on the battery port when the laptop battery is not installed, you can connect a multimeter to the rightmost and leftmost pins of the battery port on the motherboard. Then, under normal conditions, a voltage with a value like in this video will appear. When the battery is installed, the voltage on this port actually decreases. And this shows that the battery of this laptop is damaged. And it must be replaced with a normal one. The conclusion is that under normal conditions, the voltage value on the battery port of the Asus A455L laptop when the battery is not installed is around 0.18 volts. If your Asus laptop battery is no longer working, and after the battery is removed, the voltage value is the same as in this video, then the motherboard is normal. You only need to buy a new battery.